5 Best Outdoor Refrigerators. We are going to check out top 5 best outdoor refrigerators in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this outdoor refrigerators, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
RCA FR321 FR320/8 IGLOO Mini Refrigerator, 3.2 cubic feet fridge, white. Your purchase includes one RCA FR321 single-door mini fridge with freezer in white color. Fridge dimensions: January 2nd 17W x May 8th 18D x May 8th 31H 84L, 3.2 cubic feet. Inner space product weight: 50.7 pounds. Freezer capacity: 0.2 cubic foot. Refrigerant type: R134, 1.77 ounces per 50 G. Reversible door makes it easy to fit this in any spot of your room. Compressor cooling for ultimate performance even in hot weather. Adjustable thermostat and adjustable lever feet offers the ultimate in versatility.
Top 4.
Whynter Branch 130 SB Beverage Refrigerator with internal fan, black stainless steel. Measures: 18.5 inches long x 17 inches wide x 33 inches high. Capacity: 120 standard 12 ounces cans, with black cabinet, stainless steel door frame. Mechanical temperature control with temperature range from high 30 Fahrenheit, mid 60 F. Soft interior LED lighting with on-off switch and top shelf -15 can capacity, second shelf 15 can capacity, third shelf 15 can capacity, fourth shelf 25 can capacity, fifth shelf 25 can capacity, bottom section 25 can capacity. Freestanding setup, reversible door. Seamless door, no.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
BLACK+DECKER BCRK25V Compact Refrigerator Energy Star Single Door Mini Fridge with Freezer, 2.5 cubic feet, VCM. 2 full-width glass shelves. 2 full-width door shelves accommodate 2-liter and tall bottles. Adjustable thermostat control and leveling legs offer ultimate versatility. Full-width freezer compartment with ice cube tray and dispenser storage for 5 12-ounce cans. Manual defrost. Reversible door and space-saving flat-back design lets you fit it just about anywhere.
Top 2.
NewAir 126 can freestanding beverage fridge, stainless steel, limited edition design. Your purchase includes one NewAir 126 can freestanding beverage fridge with R600A refrigerant type, limited edition design. Fridge dimensions: 18.40 inches DX 18.90 inches WX 32.40 inches H, 33.00 width inch. Internal volume: 3.4 feet. Beverage capacity: 126 fridge weight, 62.85 pounds voltage, 110 watts, 85 noise level, 35 decibels temperature range, 37 degrees Fahrenheit - 64 degrees Fahrenheit.
Top 1.
homeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler, 120-can mini fridge with glass door for soda, beer or wine, small drink dispenser machine for office or bar with adjustable removable shelves. Modern electric beverage cooler, this 3.2 cubic feet, freestanding beverage refrigerator features an elegant see-through, left-inch glass front door with a stainless steel frame for you to view your wine, beer or soda at a glance. Its white LED interior light illuminates for easy, nighttime selection of your favorite chilled drink.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.